So, Manny, what are we gonna do now?
We'll throw the stones back into the sea at once.
How do we do that?
With this controller and this combination. Ah!
That's so cool! We can conquer the seas now! Mutlu, the pirate of the seas! Let's leave these shores for the open sea!
Hold on a second, you guys. We're going around in circles. We only have one oar, that's why. I think we should have taken two.
Mutlu and the pirates of the seas! Let's go full speed ahead to shore, Skipper Sister!
There's no full speed ahead. Perfect timing, you mock! This place is amazing! We can throw the stones here and they'll look great, and the sun will bring out their colors for the sky. Goodbye, you beautiful little stones! Get your beautiful colors back as soon as possible. The sky's waiting to see them.
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie,